This is Carlo D'Angelo with D'AngeloLegal.com. This is D'Angelo Legal Daily. This is an opportunity for me to talk to you about some strategies and some tactics that I've utilized in defense of criminal cases here in Tyler, Texas, and throughout East Texas. One of the tactics that I often deploy, depending upon the facts of the case and whether it merits it, is a polygraph examination. Polygraph examination is a lie detector test. If you've got a case of a he said, she said scenario, or you've got a case where the intent of the person who is alleged to commit the crime is at issue, and you feel strongly that your client could sit down and pass a polygraph, which means that when hooked up to a machine, there's no evidence of deception in the answers to the questions that are asked, then it might be a very good thing to deploy in a case. You want to get the best polygraph examiner you can. You want to make sure that they're prepared ahead of time and know the facts of the case. A pre-polygraph interview is a very important component of this. You want to make sure that the client is interviewed and provides detailed information to the examiner as far as their involvement in the allegation. That way the examiner can craft the questions that need to be answered in order to get a successful polygraph result. Remember, it doesn't matter if there's proof of deception or if there's not proof of deception if the questions aren't focused to the issue at hand. So if you're going into the polygraph with the wrong questions, you're going to get the wrong answers, and you're not going to have any effectiveness down the road when you present those polygraph results to the district attorney in the hopes that they will either decline to prosecute the case or present that polygraph to a grand jury in the hopes that the grand jury will say, hey, not enough evidence here, we're going to no-bill the case. So in closing, you want to make sure that you prepare the polygraph examiner. You want to make sure that you prepare the client. The client needs to get plenty of rest before that examination. Client needs to understand that this is not a trick question gotcha scenario. The polygraph equipment will pick up the slightest deception, be it a big lie or a little lie. So it really doesn't matter how the client approaches responding to the questions. What matters is that the client is calm, is rested, and is ready to take the examination. And most importantly, if you're using this as a defense tool, it's important that you hire an attorney to get that examination arranged for you. Because if you hire a polygraph examiner to do the examination for you, it's not protected by attorney-client privilege, which means down the road, you might have to disclose those results to the prosecutor in the course of presenting your case. Whereas if you hire a criminal defense attorney to do it for you, and I pay the polygraph examiner, well then all those results are protected by work product privilege, meaning they stay in my file. And if we don't do well on that polygraph examination, I don't have to disclose that to anyone. It stays confidential. I hope this helped. I hope you'll tune in. Follow us at D'AngeloLegal.com. Follow me at D'Angelo Legal on Facebook. And I hope to bring more of this to you. Have a great day.